Hello everyone and welcome to Daria Draws. This is the second video of the How to Draw Anything series. If you missed the previous one, please catch up with the ones that did already. And today we're going to talk a little bit about the shadow, about lights as well, and this is not like an ultimate video that shows absolutely everything you should know, but it will definitely help you find maybe an easier way to look at things when you try to draw something. And yeah, I hope you enjoy it. If you have any questions or suggestions, you can always write me a comment. And if you'd like to support this channel, please give this video a thumbs up.
To understand where the shadow is, we must first find where the light hits it and basically choose the opposite side where the object is not lit. To categorize and make things a little more simple, we have 4 types of shades. One is highlight, which is the lightest, the light, which is slightly darker. They're also called midtones. The shadow is the darkest, and then comes the reflex. But what is it exactly? It's basically the bouncing light off of the surface. So it's a bit lighter than the shadow. So now you've drawn your object and you want to have a shadow that is casted by the object onto the surface. Don't forget to mark the ground, which would probably be the darkest place on your drawing, and then kind of copy the shape of the object onto the shadow. Another thing to keep in mind while drawing is that shadow takes the shape of the object. So no matter how irregular it is, it will always kind of fall onto the shape of the object. And the highlight will be on the most protruding part of the object and will never stick to the outlines of it. It will always kind of step away from them. So what do you do if your shape is a little more complicated, like a tulip? So it's like one object within another and another. You have to think of it as one whole thing first and then dig deeper into the little petals and other parts of it. So first, create a general shadow that would sort of fall onto the whole thing, and then create the individual shadow in each petal. Don't forget that most of the petals have different positioning, so they will also have different kind of angles of light, if you will. You can also make the lines a little more transparent and gentle where the light hits, and make them a little thicker on the shadow side. That will also help to create a 3D effect. The same principles are used in figurative art since we're dealing with a lot of complicated shapes, but that's for another video.
Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and next time we're going to talk a little bit about color, how to use it, why we use it, and etc. And I'll see you in the next video.